That's how much money it was.
Make sure you zoom in.
That's a lot of money. I am.
Huh? I was about to go bankrupt before she gave me that.
Oh really?
I had 1 million left.
That's how it goes sometimes. It gets close.
But then I got
Elijah
this.
has his first hiccups. What were you saying, yourself?
No, I'm not going bankrupt.
Yeah. Well, are you leading now, or is Grandma winning?
Oh, she's leading.
She's losing.
Oh,
Bad. Mom was winning, but now I'm winning.
What's else to do that?
They're tiny hiccups, huh?
They're big for his body.
Yeah.
His whole body's like
Yeah, there it is.
Whose turn is
There's
it?
another one. There's another one.
I just went. It's your turn.
My turn.
He wasn't hiccuping in your belly, was he?
He did maybe twice ever.
Yeah.
9. Oh. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. How much do I pay you?
Is it the White House? You owe me $280,000.
280. Okay. It's pretty much up to you, me, Mom.
It's pretty much up to you, sweetie.
I know. But
You just want to make me feel better about it.
yeah. I mean, you and Grandma are almost pretty much like the
Hey,
same.
Elijah.
You see Daddy?
Are your hiccups all better now? Are they all better? Oh.
He's so cute. Now he's cute.
Now he's
He's
cute.
awake.
His eyes aren't puffy anymore.
He looks comfy. He's pooping. He looks like he's like.
Oh, he might be doing it right now.
Oh no, he scrunches up his face big time. Now.
Oh, does he?
Like
Oh,
this
yeah.
is like
He lets you know.
Yeah.
pooping. Smiles. Smile. Smile. Because I call Riley Smiley Riley. So
Hi.
I'm going to call him Smile.
Oh,
Miles.
is it time to eat again already?
Miles, smile.
Oh, hi, sweetie.
Grandma, it's your turn.
Go for that double.
It won't be that yet.
All right.
1, 2,